I know why you are watching this video, because you want to lose weight desperately. So desperate you are that if action is not taken in time, your life is in danger in one way or another. I also know you have been duped by various fad diets and so-called wonder pills and exercise machines, that when you read any other outrageous weight loss claims, you get very annoyed and shut it off immediately. Before you watch this video, let me tell you that weight loss is all about numbers game. You control the number, you lose the weight. You just have to burn more calories than you do intake. It is that simple. Do you know that 1 pound equates to 3,500 calories? Yes, you heard it right. If you are overweight by 21 pounds, then you need to lose 73,500 calories. Sorry to scare you with these numbers, but it is the truth. Nevertheless, I know a diet that accelerates this process completely, and you can lose 21 pounds in 31 days. How do I know this? Because I have used this system with great success and thousands of people across the world. The system has been online since more than 5 years. The system is so good that you do not have to exercise, and only way you lose weight is by eating more. Yes, you have to eat to lose weight, not to starve. This system works on the simple concept of shifting calories, so that your body goes into confusion mode and ultimately it disposes that excess fat and ultimately you lose weight.